Good morning, student of class 3. How are you? I hope you all are fit and healthy. So today date is 17 January 2022 and I am teaching you chapter number 17, the earth and sky. So we are doing in the let's do little recapitulation what we have done in the previous video. Student, in the previous video we started question number A, that is tick the correct answer. Question number A, tick the correct answer. Okay, so question number 1 and 2 we have already completed. Let's start with the third question. The brightest star in our solar system. The brightest star in our solar system. Brightest star in our solar system. Option A, Neptune. Option B, Earth, and option C, Sun. So the brightest star, here we are talking about the star. As we know that student, Neptune and Earth both are planet. So right answer is option number C, that is Sun. Sun is the right answer. Now after that, question number 4, student. Question number 4 is, it is a pattern of stars in the sky. It is a pattern. It is a pattern of stars in the sky. Okay, first is Sirius, B is Vag star, and C option is constellation. ठीक है, it is a pattern of star in the sky. जो Sirius और Vag star, ये this is the name of the star. ठीक है, ये स्टार के नाम है. और कॉन्स्टलेशन जो अलग टेलीस्कोप से हम लोग बेटा स्टार्स की स्टडी करते हैं, और टेलीस्कोप से जब हम लोग स्काई में देखते हैं तो अलग अलग ये स्टार्स के अलग अलग पैटर्न, जिनको हम लोग ने अलग अलग नाम से तो आप लोग को मैंने चैप्टर में बताया था. तो इस पैटर्न ऑफ स्टार्स को हम लोग कहते हैं कॉन्स्टिलेशन. सो दिस इज द राइट आंसर, कॉन्स्टिलेशन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5, this is a satellite. This is a satellite of the earth. So option A, sun, option B, Jupiter, and option C, moon. So this is a satellite of the earth. So sun is a star, so it is not a right answer. Jupiter is a planet, it is also not a right answer. Third option is moon. Yes, moon is known as the natural satellite of our planet earth. Moon is known as the natural satellite of our planet earth. So next question is the question number B. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Question number 1. The Earth is the dash planet from the Earth. So what is the position of a Earth from the Sun? That is third. Is it clear? What is the position of Earth from the Sun? That is third. So answer in fill in the blank. Answer 1 is third. Around dash of the Earth's surface is covered with water. So how much percent of surface is covered with water? That is 72%. ठीक है, 72% of the Earth's surface is covered with water and land is only 28% is land. Okay, so second is the 72%. Third one, the Earth looks dash in color when we see from space. So answer is blue. Okay, because 72% of the surface of the Earth is covered with the water. So the Earth looks dash in color when we seen from space. So answer is blue. Okay. Now fourth question. The gas we breathe in is. So the gas which breathe in is oxygen. Okay. The gas we breathe in is oxygen. So note down this. Answer number 1. The Earth is the third planet from the Sun. Second, around 72% of the Earth's surface is covered with water. Third is the Earth looks blue in color when seen from space. Fourth is the gas we breathe in is oxygen. After that, true and false. True and false. Question number C. True or false? True or false? First, second, third, fourth and fifth. So the sun is not the center of the solar system. देखो sun center में, that is the reason all the planets are revolving around the sun. So it is given the sun is not in the center of the solar system. So this is false. Okay, so this is false. Question number 2. Planets have light of their own. As when I explained you about planets, so student, at that time I explained you planets do not have their own light. They get the light of the star, and sun is the star, because all the planets are revolving around the sun, and so they are getting light and heat of the sun. So it is given here planet have light of their own. So this is also a false. Okay, this is also, second answer is also false. Third, the sun is a star. So yes, this is true. What is sun? Sun is a star. So this is true statement. Each large group or cluster of stars form the Milky Way. So this is also false. This is also false. Each large group or cluster of stars form the Milky Way. So this is also false. Okay. Next, fifth one, the Earth is the third planet from the Sun. Yes, this is true. What is the position of Earth from the Sun? So the position of Earth from the Sun is third. That is the reason this is true. Now we will start with question number D. Short answer questions. Short answers. Okay. So question number 1. Question number 1, you note down the question from the book. Name all the planets in the solar system. Okay, question number 1, you note down the question from the book. I am writing the answer. Okay, name all the planet in the solar system. So there are 8 planets in our solar system. In our solar system, they are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter. Okay, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Okay, note down the answer. Second, how is the sun? Next question. This is question number 1. Note down question number 2. How is the sun useful to us? How is the sun useful to us? Question number 2. Okay, answer 2. The sun is useful to us. देखो, how sun is useful to us? Because due to the sun, the food is on our planet. Because plants can only prepare their food in the presence of a sunlight. Okay, without sunlight, there is no food on our planet. ठीक है? Another thing is that due to sun, there is a water cycle and formation of a clouds. If there is no cloud, then there is no rainfall, and if there is no rainfall, then no plants will survive on the planet, on our planet. Okay, so and another thing is that we are getting light and heat of the sun. That is the reason it is very useful to us. The sun is useful to us. Sun is useful to us because it help us in many ways. First, it gives us natural light. It gives us natural natural light. Second, sunlight. Sunlight help plants to produce food. Produce food. Next, it also heats water. So heat water and turns into water vapor. Okay, so this is a complete answer of question number 2. The sun is useful to us because it helps us in many ways. First, it gives us natural light. Sunlight help plants to produce food. Next, it also heats water and turns into water vapor. Okay, turns into water vapor. Question number 3. Okay, what is atmosphere? Question number 3, what is atmosphere? What is atmosphere? The layer of earth surrounded the earth, that is known as atmosphere. Is it clear? The earth is surrounded by a layer. The earth is surrounded by a layer of air. By a layer of air. This is called atmosphere. Okay, so next question is third question number, what is atmosphere? The earth is surrounded by layer of earth, this is called atmosphere. So earth is surrounded by a layer of earth. ठीक है, अर्थ के चारों तरफ क्या हवाई है, पूरी हवा की लेयर है चारों तरफ अर्थ के. तो इसी चीज को हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं? एटमॉस्फेयर बोलते हैं. इसी चीज को हम लोग क्या नाम दिए? एटमॉस्फेयर दिए. ठीक है, अब हमने शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन आंसर कंप्लीट कर लिए बेटा. अब हम लोग करेंगे लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन आंसर ऑफ द चैप्टर. तो नेक्स्ट लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन आंसर ऑफ द चैप्टर है, वी विल सॉल्व क्वेश्चन नंबर ई. ठीक है, अब हम कौन क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करेंगे? वी विल सॉल्व क्वेश्चन नंबर ई. सो क्वेश्चन इज, व्हाट आर सैटेलाइट्स, हाउ आर दे डिफरेंट फ्रॉम द स्टार? So a body in space, what are satellites? A body in space that move around the planet. ठीक है, उसी को, ठीक है, they are different from the, because star emit their own light. ठीक है, the body in space that moves around a planet. ठीक है, जैसे मैंने आप लोगों को बताया था ना कि मून क्या है? नेचुरल सैटेलाइट है. किसका नेचुरल सैटेलाइट है? मून इज द नेचुरल सैटेलाइट ऑफ आवर प्लैनेट, दैट इज अर्थ. ओके, थैंक यू स्टूडेंट.